Hi, this is Steve from yourcreativelife.com talking today about your writing career and all of the places that you may be stuck. Perhaps you don't know really what your writing process is, how you show up at the page, when you show up, how to be consistent, how to be effective, perhaps how to make scenes pop, or how to end a piece, or start a piece, or outline a piece. Maybe you're confused by things like how do I get an agent or manager? Or you have an agent or manager, but don't know how to talk to them or how to get them on your side or collaborate with them. Maybe you've got a project you want to pitch, but you're not really sure how to do that. And you don't know quite how to network with people, how to meet folks in the industry and stay connected to them for the long haul. Maybe you are confused about how to live the life of the artist that you are. And I realized many years ago that that was my challenge. I had been taught in all sorts of fabulous schools how to write, how to act, how to direct, how to create material. But I was never taught how to live the life of somebody who does just that. How do I take my creative life and be effective in the professional space and support myself in the personal space? All of those questions and more are what people bring to me as a coach to help them brainstorm, navigate, and ultimately solve. I've been doing this since 2008 and have worked with thousands of people to slowly, moment by moment, session by session, begin to offer them and brainstorm on tools that they can use to succeed better and more effectively in their creative lives. Here's how it works in a nutshell. I meet with people on a one-to-one basis on Zoom or in a phone call, and we spend an hour together talking about whatever the agenda is for that person. They might bring me any one of those projects that they're working on, how to do a pitch or how to get an agent, and we'll brainstorm on solutions. We'll talk back and forth. I'll make a list, and then I'll reflect back to them at the end of the session which things they've said they'd like to explore as possible solutions during the upcoming week. During that week, they get to try a bunch of stuff out. And they also get to email me if they run into problems or challenges to say, well, what about this? Or I thought about that, or I'm really stuck here when I thought we had had a solution before. I'll encourage them during the week. And then right before their next session, they'll send me a form like this, which gives me an update on how the week went. It says, here's what I got done. Here's what I hoped to get done, but didn't exactly get done. And here's what I want to work on this week. And then we jump right back in when we meet again and do the same thing over again. We do that for at least 4 weeks and sometimes longer, sometimes 6, 8, 12 weeks, sometimes 3 months or more. You can sign up for coaching and get this individualized personal business meeting around your creative life, whether it's talking about material on the page, whether it's talking about writer's life stuff, or whether it's talking about both. And we do that and allow you to create, discover, and fill your toolkit with brand new things that can move your writing career ahead. That's what coaching is. Go to yourcreativelife.com and click on all of the options to see how I can help you get your writing life into high gear and super mojo. And then get in touch and let's get it done.